In this video, I am going to guide about how to know if your Lyft fare includes surge pricing. This helps you avoid unexpected high fares during busy hours. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your phone. 2. Enter your pickup and drop off locations to get a fare estimate. 3. Look for any indication of prime time or surge pricing in the fare estimate. 4. Check the ride details for a surge multiplier that shows increased pricing. 5. If surge pricing is in effect, you will see a notification or alert on the screen. 6. The fare estimate will be higher if surge pricing is included. 7. You can also compare different ride types to see if surge affects one more than others. 8. Before confirming the ride, you can see the final price including any surge adjustments. Once you have checked the fare, you can decide whether to wait for lower prices or continue with the ride. Always double check the pricing before confirming your booking to avoid surprises. Surge pricing usually occurs during high demand times, so it's good to be aware.